Today I make lao hot green gel sauce. You guys look at this. Oh my gosh, very healthy, yummy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. Look at this. Look at how green looking. It's very healthy. All right. I'm gonna put in a container. I'm gonna deliver it to the Bangkok 54 Thailand market tomorrow because tomorrow is Saturday. Look at that. Oh yes. Tastes so good. This make your day when you have this, guys. This is gonna make your day, and it make the food dancing in your mouth. It tastes so good. I'm gonna have a website coming up soon, and then you guys go ahead, order and taste it, cause it's so good. Oh yes, 4 gallon fresh hot lao gel, green hot pepper, guys. That's very good. Green hot pepper. Here come in the bottle. This is for the house eating. When I put in the bottle, it look like this, nice and green, guys. You know, you can eat with seafood, dipping with seafood. Oh my God, you can eat all day, on and on. You just want to eat because this is so good for the seafood. Crab, dipping oyster, clam, anything, shrimp. Oh my God, this is so good. Okay, this is the last filter. So good. You gotta have this. If you really want this, you go to Thai Bangkok 54 in Virginia. Okay, this is the last filter. You guys gonna have this because if I'm missing this for 1 week, customer crying for this. You don't believe it. I'm missing it. I'm lazy to make. I just like, okay, what the hell, just let them hungry. So you don't believe they're crying for this hot sauce right here. Ooh, all right. You just don't believe it. I don't have for 1 week. I say, let's see how they act. I don't make that. I just do it. Everybody crying. I want a green hot sauce and green hot sauce. Never can get enough. When I make this green hot sauce, I want 2, I want 3. So I say, man, I just want something all the way 1, 2, 1, 3. So I want too much. That's why. So I just stopped making, and then I'm now today making again. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make them happy. And some customer email. You guys have a good truck, great truck ever in this DMV. I want your hot sauce. I've been looking for your hot sauce in the counter in the Bangkok 54. It's all gone, no more. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't know they finished, selling my hot sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead, just as I make, so I'm go ahead, get this done, and then just deliver it tomorrow. I say, okay, you will get Sunday. I just give them a time 1 day, but I will deliver it Saturday, Sunday, so he can come and get it. This is so good, guy. Okay, all right. I just want to share with you. This is hot good sauce. Lao hot gel, guy. Look at this. Look at that. Gel pit, bo sap. You see that? Sisou love lao hot gel. Crazy delicious. Okay, guys, this one for home eating. So I'm just keep for the household when I go to eat seafood. I'm carrying this with me, so I'll just go ahead and eat seafood with this sauce. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys in a minute. This is hot sauce right there. Alright, okay, guys, I'm gonna put in the refrigerator. Oh yes, hot sauce section right here. This is party dipping. Okay, I'm gonna fill up, almost finished. Oh yes. So right here. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead, get thing ready to go. Alright, the hot sauce can be filled in. Hot sauce. Okay, that's one. This is a lot of vitamin C, guys. This salt right here, a lot of vitamin C. If you want to live healthy, you eat, make, eat hot pepper. Make hot pepper in your life, so you continue eat hot pepper. But when I say hot pepper, you don't have to eat so hard. Just to keep eating with your food, to get into your life, your body, benefits hot pepper because they have so much vitamin C and they kill the cancer. You don't have to eat too hard to kill the cancer. I'm just saying, every time the food you're eating, you have to have your hot pepper dipping or cooking, whatever you need to do. Believe it, because hot pepper is a lot of vitamin C. It makes your immune system open up strong, feel good. You can go 10 miles after you eat this hot pepper right here. This is green young hot pepper, young one. So they have like a seafood taste. This one for seafood taste. Okay, I'm gonna put the cap in. I am going to start with the red one. The red one is a red pepper. Okay, that's a red one. Red one and green one. Green one is the young hot pepper. So the green one is smell delicious because it's the green one. The red one, they're already like ready to pick old hot pepper, but it's very spicy, okay? The red one spicy more than green. Green one spicy, but kind of mild spice. It's either one tastes good. If whoever don't eat too hot, then green one for you. If whoever eat very hot taste, it's the red one for you. So, in my opinion, you should try both. This one you really like more, okay? But you dip the green one, dip the seafood. That's crazy delicious. Okay, fill up. It's gonna be last two. Yeah, like I say, keep hot pepper in your life because they're really helping, kill cancer and vitamin C, and food tastes good. Make your day when you eat food, you got some spice. Today, people eat very spicy, but for me, I will eat spicy since I was kid. I love it, spice. If you have spice, you can make your food complete. So a lot of spice out there in the market don't count nothing. They don't really do anything for you. But this is the one. Okay, let's close it up. Okay, guys, hot sauce ready to go. Today I'm run out of cup, the bottle. That's why I just got very small. So at least I got something for them, better than nothing. So the red one ready to go, and the green one ready to go. You should go try, okay? But anyway, I'm gonna try the best I can to put on my YouTube and my account, my website. I'm working on right now, so you guys can have it. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead deliver it to the market. And thank you for watching. I've got to go now. See you next video, okay? Alright, bye bye. Thank you.